Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can change video settings in Google Meet. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be simple in Google Meet and then click here on settings. When you'll be in settings, you're gonna be here in video. And now you can see me right here, and you can change the camera. I can do this and change to Cam Link or Elgato or HD Pro webcam. So I'm waving right now, and this is where you can change it. It's like pretty simple and pretty easy. So again, you go to right top corner to settings, video and camera, and you just change the camera. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance in it. Have a great day and goodbye.